Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Gardening with Grayson. In today's video I'm going to be cleaning this walkway and patio. So I laid this patio 7 years ago or so, and as you remember a couple of weeks ago I cleaned out these two beds and this walkway from all the weeds. This is the paver walkway. This is about 3 to 4 feet wide, I would say, and the beds are roughly 3 feet apart, or 3 feet wide on either side. So I'm going to be cleaning all of this gunk off of these pavers, and this is the patio here. This is a 15 by 15 patio, and I used to have split rail fence that went all the way down with a double gate here. However, I took that double gate out and decided to put up this white vinyl fencing, which is 6 feet tall, and it just added so much privacy here. I love it. I love this patio. It is private and it's small and intimate. Here's the El Brito coleus that I planted in this whiskey barrel planter, which doubles as an umbrella stand, as you can see. And this is the area where I planted up the Supertunia Vista fuchsia and the black potato vines, which they are doing awesome. This one's still trying to catch up just a bit. It kind of got beat down by one of the rainstorms we had, but nonetheless, they're doing great. And underneath I have a Japanese painted fern. It just gets a lot of shade down here, and so every couple of 2 or 3 years I have to go through and get all the gunk and the moss off. This is screaming for a clematis vine of some sort here. And then my air conditioning unit is right on the other side. But these are my breakfast nook windows here. This is my kitchen windows. So it looks out onto this patio. The first thing I did was removed all the furniture, took a leaf blower and cleaned all the leaves and all the debris off. This is a big canna lily that I've had in this container for several years, and they come back year after year in my area growing zone 8A here in North Carolina. This is an entrance here off of my deck. There's 3 different ways to get down off the deck, and this comes right down. I'm out here all the time, usually in the mornings with coffee, and then this just wraps around to the sidewalk. 22-foot long sidewalk. What I've done in the past is I have pressure washed in the, however, it blows so much of the dirt that are in between the cracks all over everything. It's fast and it's easy, but everything gets completely filthy, and I have found another way to clean it. I have discovered a product that a friend of mine told me about. So this is the product that I'm talking about. This is called 30 Seconds Outdoor Cleaner Concentrate. This is 1 gallon. It cleans stains from algae, mold, and mildew, wipes out dirt and grime. So this is very fast acting, and simply spray on and hose off, no pressure washing needed. So that's what I'm going for today. You can use this on decks, fences, and painted surfaces, concentrate bricks and masonry, gutters, siding, canvas, plastic, and stucco. So you mix it 1 to 1. Safe around your yard, plants, and lawn. Fast acting, simply spray on and hose off, no pressure washing needed. All right, we're gonna put this through the test. Let's get after it. This is a 2-gallon pump sprayer. And so the first thing that I've done is I went ahead and I filled this up with 1 gallon of water, and then I'm going to use 1 gallon of the cleaner. So it's a 1 to 1 ratio. And the container is marked on the sides in half-gallon increments, so you'll always know where you are. So let's go ahead and get that poured in. I also have this push broom. I may not have to agitate any of this or scrub it, but if it needs a little bit, then I thought that this push broom would be a great idea. So anyway, I'll give it a try and see, but I'm gonna see how it does on its own first. And if I have to come back and manipulate the pavers just a bit, I'll use this broom. So here we go. So we'll just insert our pump here. And then what you wanna do is now you want to pump. You have to put this under pressure. So we're gonna give it a good 10, 15, or 20 of these. So we just apply these to dry brick, dry pavers, or the surface that you're spraying should be dry. but I think this is a little easier than pressure washing. Okay, so this is gallon number 2. I just mixed it. Okay, y'all, so here we are coming off the deck down onto the patio. Wow, it came really clean. Look at that. Albrito coleus looking great. Big canna lily in the pot in the corner. So let's take a look here. I'm gonna try my best not to make you all dizzy. Try to take it slow. These are my drip irrigation lines here. I do have a couple of tile here that are pavers that are crooked that I'll be leveling out here soon. But yeah, remember how dirty and mossy this whole area was here? That looks terrific. And I could always go over this one more time, but I think it's good. It's good to me. Now these pavers in here, they already have some variation in them. They're just a different kind of paver. Look at these coleus. Great. And the walkway. Now I need to find something to plant here. Oh yeah, compared to where it was a couple of weeks ago, I would say this is a success. And from another view, let's take a stroll down the sidewalk, shall we? And I'll be loading this whole area with furniture here soon, so stand by for that video. Everything is clean. I'm impressed with that product, y'all. Okay, y'all, so that's a wrap on the patio cleanup, hopefully, for the next couple of years. I'd like to thank you all for gardening with Grayson, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as it helps me to continue to bring you content like this. And as they say in the South, from my patio to yours, we will see you in the next one.